worksheet or an activity. And I have some interactive smartboard games here that we're going to play also. But first, we got to go over fact and opinion. What is a fact? A fact? What do you think a fact is? Carter, you got an idea?
Something that is true.
Okay, something that is true. I would agree with that. Colin, what do you think?
I think it's something that tells you something about a real thing.
Okay, something that tells you about something that's real, a real thing. Okay, Maddie?
That it gives you like ideas about what like if you're doing the book report on something and you don't like an animal and it's like on the facts.
Okay, so maybe for a book report or a project, you've had to look up a fact about an animal or whatever you're researching, right? So that's something that's true about whatever you're researching, whether it's an animal or a person or so on. Mackenzie?
Like fact is like when it gives you important information about whatever you're writing about or
Okay,
reading about.
so it could be something important that you might be writing or reading about. Carly?
A fact is something that you can tell someone and then you can prove it to them.
Good, you can prove it to them. A fact is something you can always prove. Good, I like that word that you use. So let's just look. Okay, I have what is a fact? Facts are information that is true. It is something that actually exists or has occurred. Okay? For example, there are 50 states that make the United States of America. Do you agree? There's 50 states? Right, I can prove that to you, right? Yep. There is no arguing this, and it is a true statement, which makes this a fact. Okay? So that's a fact. Are there any questions on what a fact is? Okay. So now that we all know what a fact is, who can tell me what an opinion is? Turn to your neighbor and tell them what you think an opinion is. Hey, give me 5. Eyes, ears up here. Please be seated in your seats like the 3rd grader. Okay, I heard a lot of good examples. What can you tell me about an opinion? Let's pretend Miss Cole has no idea what an opinion is. What can you tell me? Kiara, get us started.
It's something that you all don't agree with.
Okay, it's something that maybe you don't agree with. Everyone doesn't agree on the same thing. Okay. Alana? Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Maddie, go ahead.
Like if someone likes something and the other person likes it.
Okay, so if someone likes something but maybe another person doesn't like it, could you give me an example?
Like if someone
Okay, so maybe if I said strawberry is the best fruit there is. That's my opinion, right? Maybe Jenna likes oranges. Right? Doesn't just because I think strawberries is the best fruit doesn't mean everybody else in this class thinks that too, right?
I do.
Okay, some of you might agree, some of you might not agree. What else? Is there anything else that you discussed Okay, so that's another example. I could say, Jenna's shirt is the nicest shirt I've ever seen, and Kira might say, no, I've seen a nicer shirt than that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Mackenzie, last one.
An opinion is like I like apples and I like oranges.
Okay, good. Another good example. Alright, let's move on. I think I have some activities for us to try next. Oh, just this last screen. It says fact and opinion. Fact is a provable statement, right? I think Carly came up with the word prove. I like that word a lot for facts. And opinions are thoughts and feelings, right? What we think. To see if something is a fact, ask yourself, can this statement be proved? Okay? So in a little bit when we do activities, that's a question you might want to ask yourself if you're not sure if something's a fact or an opinion. Can this statement be proved? To check for opinions, ask yourself, does this tell a thought or feeling? Would this statement be true all of the time? Okay? And then some key words are feel, believe, always, never, none, most, least, best, and worst. So these are just a few ideas for you to think about if you're struggling to decide if something's a fact or opinion. You can ask yourself these questions or think about these words. Are there any questions on this? Okay, let's try this one. This is just a little bit of practice. Fact versus opinions. There are many different animals at the zoo. Fact or opinion? Carter.
Fact.
Thumbs up if you agree. What do we think? Fact. Good. Giraffes are the very best animal. Giraffes are the very best animal. Carly.
Opinion.
Opinion, right? Maybe I think monkeys are the best animal, right? We can't prove that giraffes are the best animal.
Fact. Opinion.
Giraffes have 7 bones in their neck. Colin.
Fact.
Fact, right? That can be proven, right?
Yeah, because if they
Hippos are the most friendly animal. Steven. Opinion. My dog's pretty friendly, right? Maybe I'm going to argue that my dog's friendlier than a hippo. And the last one. The turtle is the most boring animal at the zoo. Peyton.
Opinion.
Opinion. This is pretty easy, right? Okay, let's see what else we have here for us to practice
Fact.
with.
Opinion. Fact. Opinion.
Okay, what is a fact? Take a minute to read answer choices A, B, C, and D, and throw your hand up in the air when you think you know, okay? Please don't shout out the answer. What is a fact? A, is only true when the president says so. B, something false. C, anything your classmates say. Or D, a fact is a statement or object that is found to be true. What do we think? Mackenzie, what do you think? D. Do we agree?
Yeah.
Good. That's right, we got a green check. Let's see. Question 2. Which of the following is not an opinion? Not an opinion. A. Dogs are the best animals to have. B. Golden corral is disgusting. C. Yellow is the best color in the crayon box. Or D. There are 50 states in the USA, the United States. Who am I called on today? Josh. D. Do we agree? Thumbs up? Correct. Let's see what else it has here for us. Which of the following is a fact? Okay, now we're looking for a fact. Obama is a great president. B. The president of the United States is Barack Obama. C. Some sandwiches are awful. Or D. Pink is only for girls.
Yes.
Which of the following is a fact? I'm looking for a fact. Jenna.
B.
B. The president of the United States is Barack Obama. Correct.
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato. No.
There shouldn't be any talking right now. Maddie chose a fact. She thinks it was 90 degrees yesterday. Can that be proven? Okay. I wish it was 90 degrees, right? It's cold out. Okay, Jenna, come on up.
40. Not 40 degrees.
Clinton was president. She put that in the fact column.
It is a fact.
Carly, come on up. There's 2 left. Which one are you going to choose? Bill is at the store in the fact column. And the last one, Steven, come on up. Last one, 12 times 12 equals 144. What do we think? Fact. Okay, let's check our answers. Did we get them right? Pretty good.
They're not in the right order.
That's okay. That doesn't matter. They're in the right columns, though. Let me see what the next one is. I think we're going to stop here for now. I have a few more that we'll pick up with tomorrow, okay? More interactive smart boards. But before we move on to centers, I have a worksheet that you are going to complete on facts and opinions, so it should be pretty easy. All you have to do is write fact and opinion in these blanks. But you are going, we just do it. No one should be shouted out. We are going to do this independently, so folders can come out, and I'm going to pass this around. Independently.
Nobody's going to look at me.
Okay, look up at me when your folder's out and you're ready for me to pass this out, so I know we're ready to go. Wait, Maddie just asked a good question. Ethan asked the same question. Could we just write an F and an O for fact or opinion? That is fine with me because the space is kind of small. I'm going to read the directions out loud and then I'm going to pass this out. It says, fact and opinion. This is based on something from nothing, our story that we read yesterday, okay? It says, read each sentence and decide if it is a fact or opinion from the story. Write an O on the line if it's an opinion and an F on the line if it's a fact. For example, the first one says, when Joseph was just a baby, his grandfather made him a wonderful blanket. What would we say for this one? Fact, okay? Are there any questions about this before we get started? Yep, now everybody should get at least the first one correct.
Said the answer. Fact, right? Yep. It's E-I-E-I-O. No, it's E-I-E-I-O.
Okay, should there be any talking when we're doing independent work?
It should sound
No.
silent.
Should sound silent. When you are done, you can place it in the ELA bin, and then we're going to start centers when we're all are ready. There's 15 quick little questions. Do your best, okay? Make sure I can tell your difference between F and O. Shouldn't be have to